Horses in the hands of the starter. It's post time. Gate swings down the backstretch as the full moon's arising here at Kawartha Downs. Pacers picking up speed, and there they go. And they're off and pacing. It's a 3-wide charge off the gate with Doc's Honey, P. Artemis, and Bake Me a Pie. Out from the 6th hole, there's Canary Lane, swinging it up a 4-wide. Racing in 5th, that's a Northern Opal. And from the 8th hole, that's a Spirit in Her Eyes, along with I'll Prove It. And Mick Baroness, your early trailer is Your Desire. They swing their way around the turn, and Murray Salmons, or rather David Ahern, has the lead with Doc's Honey. Opening a quarter of 28-3, Doc's Honey in front as the field swings down the lane. Racing in 2nd, that's a P. Artemis. And racing a 3rd, Bake Me a Pie to the outside, Canary Lane. Now goes from 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and now to the top. Canary Lane picks him up, puts him down. Goes right to the front as they enter the clubhouse turn. Canary Lane and the Gas Man. They've kicked it down, and now they lead it by a couple. Doc's Honey is racing 2nd. P. Artemis and Bake Me a Hot Pie back to 4th. 58 second half as they wheel their way around the turn. The field well gapped out. Northern Opal followed by I'll Prove It and Mick Baroness following Spirit in Her Eyes and Your Desire. They're single file down the backstretch. No movers yet. They're still chasing the leader. That's Canary Lane and Reg Gassy. Now some movement. Doc's Honey to the outside. 3 wide. That's a P. Artemis. And racing 4th. That's a Bake Me a Pie. Followed by Northern Opal sitting in 5th and 6th. That's Mick Baroness. From the 2nd tier, Your Desire is on the outside and trying to move 127 and 4 to the 3/4. Around the turn they roll. And Canary Lane and the Gas Man, they lead the way. Doc's Honey to the outside. And here's P. Artemis, Bake Me a Pie. The field swings home. And Canary Lane is leading the way now. About a 16th of a mile remaining. Canary Lane by 2. Doc's Honey and P. Artemis at the wire. Canary Lane sings a nice song. 157. Doc's Honey. P. Artemis 3rd. Back-to-back wins here at Kawartha Downs for the winner of tonight's 5th race. It's number 6, Canary Lane. 5-year-old daughter of Strong Clan out of Sharp and Boss by All Boss. Owned by Frida and Tom Donald of Campbellford. Frida Donald, your trainer. Reg Gassian picking up the win. Canary Lane with back-to-back efforts and a new personal best. 1:57 the time tonight. That's the second win tonight for Reg Gassian. He's got a couple of wins. Gord Brown, he's got 3. So the Gas Man and Brownie, they've got the hot wands tonight here at Kawartha Downs. It's official. 6, 2, 3, 4. Prices up for race 5, Canary Lane, $13.90, $7, $3.90. Number 2, Doc's Honey, $7.70, $4.50. Number 3, P. Artemis, $3.30 to show. 6-2 Exactor, $561.10. And the 6-2-3 Triactor, $993.20.